Hi everyone, it's attorney Bianca Jordan from brazenlegal.com. Today's video is about social media and how it can affect your immigration case. So as we know, this administration is very anti-immigrant, and so they are trying to find whatever way and reason that they can to deny your immigration benefit, your application for an immigration benefit, such as a green card, asylum, a work card, what have you. And so one of the things that they're doing is they're trying to learn as much as possible about you. And they can look into anything that they want to as a reason for why they might question your application or to deny your application. And one way that they do that is through your social media. So they will go through your social media posts on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, what have you, and they will analyze your life based on what you're posting. For example, if you're applying for a green card through marriage, they may find that, if you're not posting enough pictures or any pictures of your significant other on your page, they might think, okay, well, is this really a valid marriage? Or, they might look on your post on your page, and if they see posts that are, negative towards the president, criticizing this government, they might use that to not give you your immigration benefit. So it's very important that you are watching what you post online, especially if you are applying for an immigration benefit. Things that you should not be doing on social media are, like I said, don't post anything negative about the president or this government. Don't post any threats against the government. If you are not a U.S. citizen, definitely do not post yourself smoking marijuana, using marijuana, selling marijuana. Don't post anything related to marijuana on your page. Make your page private if possible, although making your page private isn't really it doesn't protect people as much as they think, because there are still ways in which to get information about a page that is private. But if you have any posts that you think are a little iffy or suspect or might be deemed in a negative light, you could delete those definitely. But definitely post, watch what you're posting on social media, not only because you're applying for an immigration benefit, but also just in general. If you're applying for certain jobs, maybe once you get your immigration benefit, you now want to, obtain a federal job, and maybe you might not get it because of something that you've posted on social media. And also remember that people around you might, even though you might think that you can trust them, there are people around you that might, screenshot what you're posting, or make a screen video of things that you're posting on social media, and you don't want those things to come back and bite you and keep you from getting an immigration benefit. I hope you found this video helpful. Please visit brazenlegal.com/immigration to learn more about me, my law firm, and how I can help you this year. Thanks for watching, and watch what you post online.